Hi everyone, my name is Beth Clark and I am the Digital Learning Director at CESA 2. So excited to be on this journey with you as we create pathways for kids to be successful in their future. Let me tell you, we've got a lot of sizzling workshops going on and opportunities for you this summer at CESA 2 in the Digital Learning Center. So let's go check those out. Let's take a look at what CESA 2 has to offer in the Digital Learning Center as far as workshops this summer. So first of all, there's the Information and Technology Literacy Standards Integration Workshop on June 14th and the 15th. We'll take a deeper dive into those standards and really get into how we can implement those with fidelity into our instruction and learning environments. Second, get ready to get certified. Google Educator Level 1 Certification Bootcamp. Come and join us as Scott and I will take you through honing in on all of your Google skills. And then at the end, you can take the assessment with support. So those who are ready for level 2, you certainly can join us. Just know that it would be more of an independent guided study. Let's move into July. You will see that we are going to have an introduction to the Smart Learning Suite. Tierney Brothers will be coming down and sharing their expertise on all the great software solutions they have to get you started on using a smartboard, using Smart Notebook, as well as Smart Amp. Now, July 10th and 11th, we're looking at an Innovation X Camp. So excited about this. Looking at virtual reality, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and how that can be used in our classroom to engage learners of today. Getting into August, it's really heating up now. Personalized science with tech tools. Come and join Eric Benedict as he leads you through some great discussion and learning opportunities on how you can meet the needs of all of your learners in your science class with digital tools. So come and check that out. August 7th and 8th, fantastic opportunity for you to come and have these critical conversations on equity. The Closing Gaps Equity Institute is bringing in Kathleen Budge and Gloria Lansing-Billings to lead this conversation. This will be a great opportunity for collaboration and networking on this topic. August 9th has the Foundation of Personalized Learning. This is a great opportunity for those of you who are ready to take a look at how you can create activities in your classroom that are more student-centered and driven by the learner. Very excited to get this work going in CESA 2. All right, let's round out August with Ready to Blend Learning, August 13th. Bring your team along, your school team, because what we want to take a look at are the 7 different models of blended learning and then how we can implement that and make an action plan. After we do that, we'll try implementing it and come back October 9th and share our experiences and think about how we can solidify our plan. Blended learning is that opportunity for students to learn face-to-face and by using some kind of technology. And then to round up August, we'll be taking a look at future-ready leadership. And what we need is the district team to come together to take a look at this plan that will encompass all of your other initiatives that are going on. It's like that umbrella that you've been looking for, and it's a strategic plan to put in place so that you are working towards an environment that is blended, where kids are learning when they need to learn, where there's personalized learning going on for each learner, and we are assessing and accessing tools for kids when they need it, how they need it. So this is a great opportunity for you to create your district plan. I look forward to seeing you then. So that is the roundup of our workshops this summer. Please contact me, Beth Clark at CESA 2, anytime if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you this summer.